coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress, and working together is success.
Research is something which is done creatively and systematically to increase our knowledge. Research is essential to find out solutions for different problems. We, the students of Amrita School of Pharmacy, are immensely blessed to be in such an institution with a very good infrastructure as well as all the facilities for doing research. Apart from this, our institution is successful in creating an interest to do research from their UG classes.
In this wonderful morning, we have gathered here to shower a few more golden leaves to the history of Amrita School of Pharmacy, the inaugural ceremony of research wing of our institution.
On behalf of Amrita family, we welcome Sri Sampuji Swamiji Purnamritananda Puri, General Secretary of Mata Amritanandamayi, Dr. Monu M. Patel, President of Pharmacy Council of India, joining us virtually, Dr. Saridaji Bhatt, Professor and former Head of Biotechnology, Kusat University, Dr. Shanti Kumar Nair, Dean of Amrita School of Pharmacy, who is joining us virtually, Dr. K.R. Dinesh Kumar, member of KSPC, nominated to Central Pharmacy Council, Dr. Sabitha M., Principal, Amrita School of Pharmacy, Dr. M.S. Sudhish, Associate Professor and HOD of Department of Pharmaceutics, Amrita School of Pharmacy, to this auspicious occasion.
Prayer is not a spare wheel that you pull out in trouble, but it is the steering wheel that directs you to the right path. Let's commence this blissful occasion with a puja. I invite our beloved Swamiji for puja and our prayer team to chant the prayer.
हे प्रभु आनंद दाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए शीघ्र सारे दुर्गुणों को दूर हमसे कीजिए हे प्रभु आनंद दाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए शीघ्र सारे दुर्गुणों को दूर हमसे कीजिए हे प्रभु आनंद दाता लीजिए हमको शरण में हम सदाचारी बने लीजिए हमको शरण में हम सदाचारी बने शांति चाहक धर्म रक्षक वीर व्रतधारी बने शांति चाहक धर्म रक्षक वीर व्रतधारी बने हे प्रभु आनंद दाता प्रेम से हम गुरुजनों की नित्य ही सेवा करें प्रेम से हम गुरुजनों की नित्य ही सेवा करें सत्य बोले झूठ त्यागे खेल आपस में करे सत्य बोले झूठ त्यागे खेल आपस में करे हे प्रभु आनंद दाता निंद किसकी हम किसी से भूल कर भी ना करे
निंद किसकी हम किसी से भूल कर भी ना करे। दिव्य जीवन हो हमारा तेरे यश गाया करे। दिव्य जीवन हो हमारा तेरे यश गाया करे। हे प्रभु आनंद दाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए। शीघ्र सारे दुर्गुणों को दूर हमसे कीजिए। हे प्रभु आनंद दाता, हे प्रभु आनंद दाता, हे प्रभु आनंद दाता।
Leadership is not about a title or designation. It's about the impact, influence, and inspiration.
We are fortunate to have such an enthusiastic leader, which is none other than our beloved Principal Madam, Dr. Sabitha M.
We humbly invite Madam for the welcome address.
Om Amriteshwari Namaha. My humble prostrations at the lotus feet of our beloved Amma. My humble pranams to Sambhujya Swamiji. And my pranams to the guest of the day, Dr. Monu Patel, Dr. Saridaji Bhatt, our Shanti Nair sir, all my dear colleagues, my dear students. A very warm good morning to all of you. It's my immense pleasure to welcome you all to the much awaited inauguration of the research wing of our institution. Being part of a research-intense university focusing on research of societal impact, the School of Pharmacy is committed to empower the faculty and students with all the facilities and support to do drug research which is of benefit to the patients. We all at Amrita are inspired by the vision of our Chancellor, Sri Mata Amritanandamayi Devi, to do compassion-driven research focusing on societal impact. School of Pharmacy is fortunate to be part of the health science campus, facilitating collaboration with Amrita Hospital, all the clinical departments of Amrita Hospital, which help us to identify genuine research problems and to work with clinicians and well-experienced research faculty in the Advanced Research Center, which is the Center for Nanosciences and Molecular Medicine, utilizing all the facilities in these institutions as well as the excellent animal house facility in the campus for the preclinical research. In addition to this, now we have a facility, state-of-the-art facility ready to carry out research in pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacology, and pharmaceutics. So we dream to take our research to further heights. The School of Pharmacy had its humble beginning in the name of Amrita College of Pharmaceutical Sciences in the year 1997 as a diploma in pharmacy institution. We started the 4-year Bachelor of Degree, the B.Pharm program in the year 2005, followed by PharmD Post-Baccalaureate and M.Pharm in 4 specializations since 2010. Now we are an institution offering, as I said, the Bachelor of Pharmacy B.Pharm, the 6-year PharmD program, the 3-year PharmD Post-Baccalaureate program, M.Pharm in 4 specializations, pharmaceutics, pharmacology, pharmaceutical chemistry, and pharmacy practice, and PhD in pharmaceutical sciences. In less than 20 years of existence as an institution offering undergraduate degree program, we have grown to an institution of national repute. Let me enter into my duty of welcoming all the dignitaries to today's program. Professor Shanti Kumar V. Nair, who is presiding over today's function, is the Dean of Amrita Vishwavidyapitham. Sir has joined the program online as he is currently at Faridabad campus. He was a faculty of the Department of Mechanical Engineering in the University of Massachusetts, United States for more than 20 years. He joined Amrita Vishwavidyapitham in the year 2006 and established a world-class research facility with initiatives in the application of nanotechnology to medicine and energy areas. As Dean, he is the key person involved in the progress of the pharmacy school, and it is his vision and guidance that has helped the School of Pharmacy to be one among the top-ranked institutions in the country. I extend a warm welcome to Dr. Shanti Nair, sir. Welcome you, sir. We are very fortunate to have Sambhujya Swami Purnamritananda with us today. Swamiji is the General Secretary of Mata Amritanandamayi, and being one among the first few disciples of Amma, Swamiji had the rare opportunity of getting direct spiritual training from Amma. Swamiji was an engineer by profession. Swamiji is a great orator and writer. Swamiji is also very good in music, arts, and flute. The pharmacy school is fortunate to have direct guidance from Swamiji right from its inception. I extend my respectful welcome to Sambhujya Swamiji. The chief guest of the day, Dr. Monu Patel, is the Honorable President of Pharmacy Council of India. He'll be joining us shortly online. He had earlier served as President of Gujarat State Pharmacy Council, where he implemented many innovative ideas. The entire pharmacy fraternity of the country is looking forward to him for similar innovative practices in pharmacy, especially in the education sector. I'm honored in extending a hearty welcome to Dr. Monu Patel. The guest of honor of the day, Dr. Saridaji Bhatt, is professor and former head of the Department of Biotechnology, Kochi University of Science and Technology, who was serving the department since the year 1999. She is an accomplished researcher who has handled many funded research projects, guided large number of masters, PhD and postdoc research scholars, and has published over 100 papers in research journals of high impact. She is an active member of various academic societies and is the DBT nominee to the Biosafety Committee of our Health Sciences campus. We are honored to have her with us today, and I extend a hearty welcome to you, ma'am. I would like to welcome Mr. K.R. Dinesh Kumar, who is the nominee to Central Council of Pharmacy Council of India from Kerala State. He had held several posts in various associations and organizations for pharmacists, including the Indian Pharmaceutical Association, Kerala Private Pharmacist Association, as well as Kerala Pharmacist Society. He has promised to join online. It is my pleasure to extend a hearty welcome to Sri Dinesh Kumar. The success of any organization lies in the commitment and sincerity of its team. We are blessed to have a team of young and dynamic faculty members. It's their commitment, hard work, and sincerity that is the backbone of this institution. It is their dream, vision, and efforts that have come true today. Let me extend a loving welcome to all the faculty members. We are fortunate to have a strong, committed team of staff members who were also extensively involved in setting up all these research labs. My loving welcome to all the staff members of my team. Dear PhD students and MPharm students, we have a strong team of full-time PhD students and MPharm students, and I know that you are all excited to work in the newly set labs. This facility belongs to you. Please utilize it to the fullest. Maintain it very well so that we will have research outputs of high impact. I welcome all the PhD students and MPharm students who also have worked very hard in setting up all these labs as well as in organizing this function. Welcome you all. We have BPharm and PharmD students of 4th year attending from this seminar hall, and the 2nd year and 3rd year PharmD and BPharm students attending online, sitting in the 5th floor auditorium. We look forward to many of you joining to PhD and do research utilizing all these facilities. So this facility belongs to you as well. Try to utilize it and try to involve in active research utilizing all the facilities in the campus. I extend a very loving welcome once again to all the PhD, M.Pharm, PharmD and B.Pharm students. I extend a hearty welcome to all the members of the audio, video, and the IT team who have worked very hard in setting up this function, which is held in a hybrid mode. Once again, welcoming you all to this function and praying for grace for fruitful research from School of Pharmacy. I conclude. Thank you. Nam Shivaya.
Thank you, ma'am, for your warm welcome. We ensure that we will utilize the research facilities provided to us.
Research is seeing what everybody else has seen and thinking what nobody else has thought.
We are obliged to have such a dynamic research scientist in our institution. Dr. Shanti Kumar Nair, Dean of Pharmacy and Nanoscience, Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham, who joined us virtually.
Shanti sir heads the initiatives in applications of nanotechnology to medicine and energy areas. The Presidential Young Investigator Award for his research in composite materials is one among his numerous achievements. Apart from this, he is a recipient of National Research Award and CNR Rao India Nanosciences Award.
We humbly invite you, sir, for the presidential address.
Sir, please. Sir, I think you are muted.
Yeah, thank you. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes. Please continue.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. I wanted, first of all, my pranams to Swamiji, Vijay Swamiji, Purnamritananda, Puri. And also I want to acknowledge our other well-wishers, especially Dr. Sarita Bhatt, who has been a great support for research in this campus. She is involved in many committees and been very helpful to us. Good to see you, Dr. Sarita. Dr. Sabitha, who has graciously said that it was all giving me too much credit for all the research that is happening there. It actually is her effort. She has put in a tremendous amount of effort with a lot of sincerity and dedication, to build up the research, to encourage the faculty, to brainstorm with them, to find ways to develop the facilities for research at that campus. So a lot of credit goes to her, and of course the faculty themselves at the pharmacy college. This is a milestone because we are setting up a full research wing. You know, back in 2006, when I joined Amrita, we set up a research wing. We now call it Center for Nanosciences and Molecular Medicine. And the vision was that if you put in the proper facilities for students to work and ask research questions and try to solve problems in experiments, then with the help of faculty, good faculty guides, motivated faculty guides, a lot of things could be accomplished. And indeed, that is what happened back in 2006. There was a lot of interest, not only in basic research, but also clinicians who utilize the facilities to develop research, to ask research questions, and so on. So I think this is a milestone, and I congratulate the pharmacy school for taking the effort and the initiative to set up a research wing, provide facilities for the faculty. I've been very fortunate to be involved in the research activities of the Pharmacy College. You know, initially I would say it was more of a teaching college with a lot of very good academic programs. But under Dr. Sabitha's leadership, more and more research began to take place. And now we have a set of very active and dynamic faculty with real potential to build up a pharmacy college with a lot of very active research activities. So, this is a great moment for us to have this opportunity for the faculty to grow and develop. And so we are very pleased that setup like that happened. My congratulations to all the faculty. So, as Dr. Sabitha said, we are in a place where we are strongly encouraging research, and I'm sure the opening of this wing will do exactly that. And we all look forward to the outcome from this research. Um, I'm sorry that I could not be there for this particular event. I wish that I could have been there. I want to say that I've not moved to Faridabad as it might have been. Someone may have felt after what Dr. Sabitha said. No, I'm here only visiting. I'll be back soon. Unfortunately, I had to be there in a hurry. Um, Even in Faridabad campus, Amma's vision has led to the establishment of a research wing. Here it's a research building. This research building is tied to the hospital, Amrita Hospital, Faridabad. And it's the same idea that we have these excellent and outstanding research facilities that will encourage faculty to more actively contribute to research, bring in research grants, and have PhD students who can be trained, who will be our future. So the concept really comes from Amma that we need to emphasize research a lot, that academics without research will not have that fragrance. We need to have both, and the idea of the research wing will definitely do that. Once again, my congratulations to all the team there, the faculty, and Dr. Sabitha for their vision and their efforts. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for joining us. Amrita School of Pharmacy is always grateful for your continual guidance and support extended, and we expect more. Thank you, sir.
Just
Thank
as a
you.
candle that cannot burn without fire, men cannot live without a spiritual life, said Buddha.
Spirituality is not an extraterrestrial thing. Instead, it is the essence of human existence. We are abundantly blessed with the divine presence of Sri Sampuji Swamiji, Purnamritananda Puri, General Secretary of Mata Amritanandamayi Mutt. Swamiji, by profession, is an engineer and one of the first few disciples of Amma. Swamiji served the prestigious Raman Institute of Bangalore. He also gives spiritual retreats and meditation classes in various countries. Moreover, he is fortunate to travel several times with Amma.
We submissively invite Swamiji for the benedictory address. Swamiji, please.
Snehalokasumokhanavadanam കരുണാദ്രാനത നയനാം രമ്യാം ശ്രുതജനപാലന വ്യഗ്രാം സൗമ്യാം അമൃതാനന്ദമയീം പ്രണമാമി. Om Amriteshwariye Namaha. My humble pranams to all my divine sisters and brothers. I'm seeing all of you after 3 years, I think. Very happy to see all of your faces, even though I cannot see your smiling face because it is masked by the mask. But I know I can see your loving heart. We live in a universe of cosmic consciousness, ever vibrating with timeless energy. This universe is a mystery. God's creation is a mystery. Everything here is a mystery. Even an atom is mysterious. Human beings are the most complicated, sophisticated, artistic creation of God. But we know only very little. We are searching throughout our life. For what? We are searching and searching. Just like our little Ganesha searched for food. You know the story of little Ganesha's hunger, Ganesha's hunger. One day Kubara heard about it and wanted to fill his stomach. So he arranged a feast. Food was made almost for 10,000 people. Everything was eaten by Ganesha. Not only that, he ate the vessels also. Finally, he tried to eat Kubera. Kubera reached Kailasa. Maybe he got the flight, immediate flight, and he complained to Lord Shiva, your son is going to eat me up. Please help me. Then Ganesha reaches Kailasa. Shiva gave a handful of puffed rice. And Ganesha says, oh, now I am full. It's a symbolic story. All of us are like this little Ganesha, searching throughout our life. Searching for what? We don't know. We are searching, we are flowing, searching for happiness. That is our search. From birth to death, we are searching for happiness. In the beginning, we thought, no, you know, in our life, even though we want to enjoy life, throughout our life, we get a lot of opportunity to cry. From the very beginning of our life, when we reached here, we came with a cry. When we came out of the womb of the mother, we cried. For what? Why? First problem in our life, breathing problem. While we are in the womb of the mother, we were very comfortable. Oxygen supply was directly connected. And first time when you come out of the womb, you do not know how to use your lungs. You had to face a first problem in your life. We cried, then lungs started functioning. That problem is solved. Then we thought, all the problems are solved. Now I am very happy. But after some time again cried for food, hunger, second problem. Then mom came and gave you milk. And that problem is also solved. Then you thought, no more problems in life. Life is so good. You learned a lesson. If you cry, you can solve problems. So again, we cried when we were sent to the kindergarten school. We cried for dolls. We cried in the exam halls, cried for boyfriends, cried for girlfriends, cried because of boyfriends, cried because of girlfriends, cried for not getting a job, cried after getting the job, cried for not getting married, cried a lot after marriage, cried for not having children, cried because of children, never ending cry. Finally, in front of death, the biggest cry. Where is the time to enjoy life? Throughout our life, we are solving problems, never get a chance to enjoy the bliss of relaxation. That is why research is needed. So Ganesha is the person, all of us are like Ganesha, searching for happiness. The search we continue throughout our life. People think that after getting a degree, they will be happy. After getting a job, they can be happy. After getting married, after having children, finally you will learn. Nobody can give you happiness. What is the secret of happiness? Amma says, become a giver of happiness. I remember one young boy, while Amma's American tour, one young boy came to Amma and asked Amma, Amma, now I know you from the very beginning of my life, and I got instruction from you for all important incidents in my life. So now I have completed my studies, got a very good job. Should I get married? I translated for him. Actually, Amma said, Monu sandosham vendanunde kalyanam kazhichu. Amma said, son, if you don't want happiness, get married. He did not understand that. He looked at my face. Then Amma explained, if you want to give happiness, get married. But if you expect happiness, you may get disappointed. But if you can become a giver of happiness, certainly you will get it. So try to become a giver of happiness. Everybody will start loving you. Happiness will follow you throughout your life. That's a secret. So Ganesha was searching and finally reached the Guru, Master. Master says, Tattvamasi. We are searching for God, who is the embodiment of bliss. Actually, we are all searching for God. We're searching for happiness means you are searching really for God. You are searching for the embodiment of happiness, and finally, you reach the Master. Master would say, Tattvamasi. Child, you are that supreme truth. You are that embodiment of happiness. Just activate it. That is enough. You are the embodiment of perfection. Everything is there within you. That was the answer given by Amma also to me. Because I was against God, you know. So those time, I asked Amma, is there a God? Before staying the ashram, when I was studying for engineering, I used to go to many places where I heard about supernatural powers, evil spirits, haunted houses, and I stayed there and found that evil spirits are much more harmless than human beings. Went to many places where I heard about divine man, people who think that they became God. So I visited so many places who claim that they have got divine powers and found that everywhere human faith was being exploited in the name of God. That search brought me to Amma. That was my search. Later it became research. So that search came to Amma. And I asked Amma, is there a God? She said, it's a foolish question. It's just like you are asking whether you have a tongue with your own tongue. നാവ് കൊണ്ട് നാവുണ്ടോ എന്ന് ചോദിക്കുന്ന പോലെയുള്ള മുകളിൽ ഈ ചോദ്യം എന്താ അന്വേഷിക്കുന്നത്? Why are you searching now? I said, if there's a God, I have got such an anger to kill him. Amma said, I like you because you are angry towards God, not because of selfishness, but out of compassion to the suffering. God dwells in such a heart, there is love and compassion. Then Amma said, God is not somebody who punishes everyone. He is the embodiment of love, embodiment of compassion. How can he punish us We are punishing ourselves through our words and action. So Amma reminded me the Newton's law: for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction that is applicable not only in the gross level, but also in the subtle level. Your thoughts also has reaction. So you can change your life if you know how to change the quality of your thoughts. So you can change your future if you know how to change the qualities of your thoughts. So simple. How to reach the supreme state? Just to change the qualities of your present thoughts. Thought waves are so powerful. It can change your future. Thought waves means thought energy. It can travel with the speed of light and strike all the objects of this world, come back to you as a blessing or curse. So if you have positive imagination, anything is possible in lifetime. So most of the people have negative thoughts always. What will happen to my life if I don't get good mark, good wife, good children, good husband? Nothing will happen. So try to have positive imagination. You can change your future. So when I asked Amma, are you God? She said, I am crazy. Nobody is putting me in jail. That's why I'm here. You need not believe me or a God in heaven. Believe in you. Everything is there within you. Huge tree is potent in a small seed. Divinity is there, all being. Invoke that divinity through good action, through positive imagination, through prayers, through meditation, through selfless action. You can reach the state of God. You can reach the state of perfection. That is what the Guru said, Tattvamasi. You are the embodiment of perfection. You are the embodiment of bliss. You are so powerful. To find that, research is needed. That's why your ancient masters, they were also super scientists. They did internal research. External research alone is not enough. That is the advice given by super scientist from Raman Research Institute, my boss. When I joined Raman Institute, the super scientist, that's a Christian lady, she gave me an advice because I had a feeling that all the scientists are against God, like me. So she said, you are going to do research on solar radiation. So please chant Gayatri Mantra a few times before you start your research work, because it is impossible to become successful in your life without intuitive knowledge. Gayatri Mantra is to activate your intuitive knowledge. You know Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurбhuvasvaha Tassavidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yona Prachodayat. When the Rishi saw the rising sun, he did not think it as a fireball. Instead, he could see divinity radiating from that sun. He prayed, O sun God, you are transmitting light and energy to the entire beings in this world and other worlds. Please illumine my intellect also. Actually, it was a prayer for the intuitive knowledge. It is not a religious prayer, a prayer for intuitive knowledge. That is possible through your purity. So that is a secret. If you know how to change the quality of your present thoughts, you can activate intuitive knowledge, then your research will be successful. That's what the scientist told me. No matter whether in the spiritual field or worldly material field, personal life or spiritual life, professional life, everywhere you need this intuitive knowledge. So when you have to take a sudden decision in your life, your intellect can't help. You should feel the right answer from within. That is possible only through intuitive knowledge. Amma has 3 doctorate degrees. She studied only up to 4th standard. How she got it? During the ceremony, I was present. After the ceremony, some of the scholars, many scholars from all over the world were present that time. She got a doctorate degree from the State University of New York. After the ceremony, some of the scholars asked them so many difficult scientific questions. Amma could give the answers, and they were wondering. They asked Amma, how is it possible for you to answer all these difficult questions without thinking? Then Amma said, it is possible because I don't know anything. Then Amma made a statement, if you can become empty, you can enjoy the beauty of fullness. So the whole education is this emptying process. Because the more you come to know, the more you will come to know about your limitation. The more you learn, you will become more humble. So then intuitive knowledge get activated. So this research work, certainly, this research lab certainly will change your life, change your concept of life, change your personality. There will be something for you to contribute to this world. That's what Amma says. Your life itself should become a contribution to this world. May Amma bless all of you with that kind of purity and innocence. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Thank you, Swamiji, for throwing the rays of light to the path of spirituality. You have filled our hearts with joy and happiness. As always, your talk had so many things to laugh as well as certain facts to think. In Malayalam, we use the phrase Chiriyum Chindayum. It's like Swamiji's talk always.
Now it's time to witness the most awaited inaugural ceremony of the research wing of Amrita School of Pharmacy.
At this graceful moment, we have the President of Pharmacy Council of India, Dr. Shanti Kumar M. Patel with us. I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir, to this event. Dr. Shanti Kumar M. Patel is the CEO and founder of Avion Pharmaceutical Distributors, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. After serving as the President of Gujarat State Pharmacy Council, he now serves as the youngest President of Pharmacy Council of India. In his tenure, he marked his signature through different ways such as making of first paperless council and setting of a job portal in Gujarat State Pharmacy Council for the pharmacist.
We hereby invite our Honorable President of Pharmacy Council of India, the young and vibrant Dr. Shanti Kumar M. Patel, for officially declaring the inauguration of Research Wing of Amrita School of Pharmacy. Sir, please.
Good morning, and thank you for inviting me and for the inauguration of the research wing of the Amrita School of Pharmacy. And I think with the blessing of Swamiji and principals and teachers and students who are researched or who are working in the Amrita School of Pharmacy, their vision to research oriented startup. So that's why it is possible to start the research wing of the Amrita School of Pharmacy. So congratulations to all the Amrita School of Pharmacy management, trustees, and the principals and the students, and also for the research PG students. I think already Swamiji told very nicely for the details of our lifestyles and all the things. What is the importance of the research? What is the importance of in our lives? So I think today it is my great pleasure to listen Swamiji, and thank you for inviting me, especially because I have a very busy schedule in Delhi, because I already all approval process is going on in all over India. But for the research, I think whatever you in the demonstration, whatever the presentation you listed the instrument list, I think there is a top 15 college of the India, but I think you have to make top 1 for the research. You are the top 15 in the top 15 institute of the institute, but you have to make top 1 for the research. Whatever research done by your Amrita School of Pharmacy student, it is reflected in the world, not India. So this so inauguration of the research lab of Amrita School will be a successful. I think that is the motto of the trustees and the principals and the teachers. If to student get more benefit for this instrument and all the things, because especially nanoparticles, nano formulations all over world, making a vaccines and very particularly nanopharmaceuticals, nanoparticles for the different type of the medicine. So I think whatever instrument I see in your presentation, I think it is a good environment to research and all type of the nanoparticles and the nano formulation for the research purpose. And also I give you congratulations all team, because there is a in a pharmacy college. I think many very less pharmacy college started this type of the research lab. Also, we are planning to, as a Pharmacy Council India, we are planning to give training center for the industry purpose, because our students are not more exposed or more not a more practically trained to fit in the industry. So we are planning to Pharmacy Council India, from Pharmacy Council India, we give her the training center or whatever the research center. So I think Amrita School of Pharmacy, if interested, then we are ready to give a training center and also the research center by the authorized by the Pharmacy Council India. So if proposal comes to the Pharmacy Council India, so we are ready to give you for the training and all the research purpose. Also, you have to train teachers, because teachers' role is very important. If teachers is trained, then student quality automatically upgraded. So we are also planning within this year we have to start teaching program in February or March next year. February March we are planning to the upgrade research of the student teachers, because many teachers and students are file a pattern, but they are only file in the lab. There is a no scope to there is a no scope to the go to the industry level. So Pharmacy Council India will conduct the conference at the Delhi for promote the teachers and student research at the industry level. We call the industrialist, also we call the teachers and student, and meet at the one roof. So they will exchange their ideas, their research and all the things, and they will help to the our build up the India. They will help to the India build up, because India is the pharmacy of the world. Now we have to play very important role as an institution, as a pharmacist, as a teachers. We have to focus on the research, and our research will reflect on the world level. So that is the motto of the Pharmacy Council India, to promote the all the teachers and student research at the industry level. And also we are planning to all teachers and students get together for the training purpose and all the things. But there is a good opportunity for me, because in Kerala and Kochi, top 15 institution, I think Amrita School of Pharmacy started a very great initiative at the Kerala. And I think if I will visit the Kerala, then definitely I will come to the Amrita School of Pharmacy and we'll see the personally, because now very situation is very difficult to travel all over India. So that's why uh, we are inaugural online. So world is connected by more digitally. But anyhow, we are planning for the betterment of the pharmacy council India. But Amrita School of Pharmacy, if it support the PCI and this type of research and all the activities, then definitely we will also provide the help from the Pharmacy Council India level. And I think very good environment. I think I see your picture, lab environment and the school college structure by the outer side. very holistic structure. So I think very holistic environment to study the and research to the student. So very great initiative by the Amrita School of Pharmacy, and congratulations to all team. Thank you, and thank you for the Swamiji for giving a blessing to the student, teachers, and all the things. And thank you for me. Also, I will meet you personally whenever I will come to the Kerala. Thank you, and congratulations. Best wishes from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Apart from your busy schedule, you attended the inaugural ceremony for us. Thank you for sparing your valuable time with us.
As a token of love, we would like to present a small gift to you, sir. Hereby, a memento is presented to Dr. Monu M. Patel by Dr. Sabitha M., Principal, Amrita School of Pharmacy.
Ma'am, please.
Thank you.
Again, a big thank you for attending the function. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, you are welcome to Kerala. Whenever you come here, please visit our college too. Thank you, sir. Today, we are prosperous with the benign presence of Dr. Saridaji Bhatt, Professor and former Head of Biotechnology, Cochin University of Science and Technology. Dr. Sarita ma'am did her bachelor's and master's in biochemistry from University of Bombay. She did a prestigious pre-doctoral research work on an ocean development project at Indian Institute of Science, Mumbai. She earned her post-doctoral research fellowship from CUSAT University.
Her research areas include gut microbiomes, environmental microbiomes, and many more. Apart from all these, she has a very good number of publications in both national and international journals.
She has received so many grants from various agencies and one Indian patent. To mention a few among them, UGC JRF and SRF, DBT CTEP travel grant. She is also a DBT nominee to Institutional Biosafety Committee of Department of Molecular Medicine, AIIMS Kochi. We invite Dr. Saridaji Bhatt to address the gathering. Please, ma'am.
Swamiji's presence here has actually, I decided to change how I will talk today. So I will start with a prayer too. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Namaskaram. Today is a special day for me because when I got here, I got something very unexpected. I got the opportunity to meet Pujya Swamiji. I got to hear his pravachanam, and it is a very rare occasion that you get to hear such wonderful discourses. So, with your permission, Swamiji, I would like to just say a few words. The prayer that I chanted is actually about the teacher and the student. It is the logo of my university, a portion of it. It says that let the teacher and the thought, reach to those sublime heights. Let us prosper together, and so on. It is just a very generic meaning that I have mentioned, but all the same, it tells about what was the traditional thought in education from the ancient times, and we still try to follow that to this day. I want to congratulate Amrita School of Pharmacy on their newly acquired research center. Congratulations to everyone here, students, faculty, research scholars, and every other staff here. Amrita School of Pharmacy has several programs, like Dr. Shanti Nair mentioned, several academic programs. The teaching programs actually benefit when there is a lot of research that supports that teaching program. In fact, the research actually adds to the visibility of the institution, the visibility of the faculty who teach in that particular institution, and the visibility of the students who learn in that institution. In a completely different context, none of this matters, like Swamiji would say, perhaps. But since we are in this, how do you say, perceptible world where we have to do certain duties and carry out certain activities, this is of considerable help. So I want to congratulate the faculty here because the facility that has been generated or developed by you after a lot of struggle is going to help you make your presence in the state, in the nation, and in the world. It doesn't mean that you have to do it today, but it is a process that you walk through with a lot of hard work and dedication that you have already shown so far. So I want to congratulate every single one of you for this particular achievement that you have had. And I pray to God that may you reach greater heights through your efforts and dedication. And it is like Professor Sabitha mentioned here, it is for every student to utilize this opportunity. I would say exploit it. Because when you exploit it, you are taking out the best from it. So a facility like this is for exploitation so that you can get the best out of it. So when you work hard to get the most out of it, you benefit, your teachers benefit, your institution benefits, the nation benefits. What does it get us when all of us benefit like this? Would be the question that you would ask. What would a teacher get if the student benefits? I always say to my students that I bask in their reflected glory, because whatever they achieve, okay, I get to claim that they are my students. You can imagine, we are recently going to have in the next couple of weeks the GNR centenary. You can imagine the pride that GNR sir's teacher would have when he had the Nobel Prize. So also for a teacher, when the student claims those Himalayan heights, it is a teacher who, gets to bask in that reflected glory. So your achievement as a student is really going to be for yourself and also a feather in the cap for your teacher, for whatever small contribution they would have done in your stepping towards that glory. So I want to congratulate every single one of you for this achievement. And I really want to thank Amrita School of Pharmacy for inviting me here today for this inaugural session, because I wasn't really how do you say, in town when I got the invitation. So it was rather how do you say, half-heartedly that I expected and accepted this invitation. But I am most blessed because I got the opportunity to hear Swamiji. I got the opportunity to hear his views and ideas, and I got an opportunity to interact with every single one of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words. I think with the presence of Swamiji, Sarita ma'am and Dr. Patel sir, we are inspired and motivated to do a holistic research. As a token of love, we would like to present a small gift to Dr. Sarita ma'am. I invite Dr. Sabitha ma'am to give the memento to Dr. Saridaji Bhatt. Ma'am, please. Amrita School of Pharmacy is expecting more support from you, ma'am. Thank you.
A thankful heart opens our eyes to a multitude of blessings that continually surround us. It's my pleasure to invite Dr. M.S. Sudhish sir, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of Pharmaceutics, Amrita School of Pharmacy, to deliver the vote of thanks. Sir, please.
Om Amriteshwari Namaha. My humble prostrations at the lotus feet of our beloved Amma. A good afternoon to all of you. I have been given this task of proposing the vote of thanks, and it is an honor and prestige for me to present the vote of thanks. So to begin with, at the outset, I would like to thank the President, Pharmacy Council of India, Dr. Monu Kumar Patel, for his presence and for inaugurating the research wing at Amrita School of Pharmacy. Thank you, Dr. Patel. The new research wing at Amrita School of Pharmacy is set in the fourth floor of Amrita School of Pharmacy, and it will definitely help our PG student and research scholars in their research endeavor. I thank you on behalf of Amrita School of Pharmacy, Dr. Monu Kumar Patel, to have spent his valuable time with us. Thank you so much, Dr. Patel. Next, I would like to thank our next guest, Dr. Saridaji Bhatt, for sparing her important, valuable time in her busy schedule and spending some quality time with us, inspiring our students and telling us the importance of student-teacher relationship and how a teacher is blessed when our students get to the height of mountains, the zenith of their career. Thank you so much. I extend my sincere gratitude to Sarita ma'am for coming here. Thank you so much. I would now like to thank Swamiji, Sampuja Swamiji, Purnamritananda Puri. Thank you, Swamiji. His divine presence is always needed in Amrita School of Pharmacy. Whenever there is an auspicious occasion in the School of Pharmacy, he is always there with us to bless us and to spread Amma's divine blessing to all of us. Thank you, Swamiji, for coming and sharing his words of wisdom with all of us, with all the students, which is required at this time of COVID pandemic, where everything is so low and depressed, and words of wisdom are what is required for us. Thank you, Swamiji. I extend my gratitude on behalf of Amrita School of Pharmacy. Thank you. I would now like to thank Dr. Shanti Kumar V. Nair. He has been a mentor and he has been the guiding spirit of Amrita School of Pharmacy in all our research endeavors. He has been guiding us through all of our research protocols, and he has been instrumental in setting up this research wing at Amrita School of Pharmacy. I thank him from the bottom of my heart, and I extend my sincere gratitude to Dr. Shanti Kumar B. Nair. Thank you so much. Next, Dr. Sabitha M., Principals, Amrita School of Pharmacy. She has been a fountainhead of inspiration and motivation to all of us at Amrita School of Pharmacy, to all the students and the faculty members. Thank you for her energy and vision and mission to bring up this research wing at Amrita School of Pharmacy. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you, ma'am. She is always in a mission mode, and she always keeps us on our toes. Thank you so much, ma'am. I now thank all the HODs of the different departments. Dr. Vijay Matthew from the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Dr. Jaya Thomas from the Department of Pharmacology, Dr. Narmada from the Department of Pharmacy Practice. And I thank all the faculty members for their never-ending support through this period of setting up of this lab. All of you and all of us work together as a team to build up this research lab at Amrita School of Pharmacy. I sincerely thank each one of you. Thank you so much. I would now like to thank Art Lab. The Art Lab is the company who built up this modular workbench at the research center. And I thank the members of Art Lab for doing a fabulous job. Thank you so much. I would now like to thank the non-teaching staff and the research technicians, research workers, the technical staff at the Amrita School of Pharmacy, and their energy and coordination helped in bringing up this research lab and managing all the activities and the chemicals and the instrumentation in the lab. Thank you so much. Here I want to specifically mention the name of our office staff, Ms. Sarita Vijay Kumar, because she has been instrumental in coordinating with all the departments and with the electrical department, with the AC department, with the art lab, and that requires a lot of effort. I think she deserves a huge round of applause. I think she's there. Can you please stand up? A big round of applause for her. Thank you so much. I would now like to thank the electrical department of Amrita School of Pharmacy, the air conditioning department for finishing their work on time so that the lab is ready for inauguration. So that requires a lot of coordination from all the departments so that it becomes ready by the time of inauguration. Thank you so much for all this work. I thank Amrita Office of Communication for the video presentation which just now you witnessed, and that was entirely done by the Office of Communication, and they set up the video and edited it, and you can see the final outcome. It looks fabulous, isn't it? Thank you so much. Last but not the least, I would like to thank our students. Okay, students mainly the research scholars and the PG students. Okay, they work a lot. They have been enthusiastic and they have been working all around to do all the adjustment, all the shifting procedures that requires a lot of work and effort. I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So our students are our big strength, and it is a big milestone for all of you. Okay. So this research facility is not meant for the faculty members. It is meant for you and to take our research to the next generation. Okay, so we have to lift our research at Amrita School of Pharmacy to the next generation, next level of research, and it is up to you students to take it over. Thank you so much. So this is a very transforming event in the history or in the evolution of this Amrita School of Pharmacy, and I congratulate each of you for being here and for encouragement and for all the hard work you have put up in organizing this function, as well as the research lab, organizing all the materials and the machinery in the research lab. Thank you so much, all of you. With that, I thank you, all of you, and may Amma bless each one of you with her divine blessing. Thank you so much. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, sir. Once again, a big thank you to all the guests who joined us, sparing their valuable time.
Thank you, Sudhish sir. In the end, it is not the years in your life that counts. All that matters is the life that you lived in those years. Let's retain the happiness, motivation, creativity, and be driven by the fire of enthusiasm.